In this demonstration, you're going to see some of Backup Exec's new technologies for protecting virtual server environments. In particular, you're going to see how simple it is to protect a virtual environment running Microsoft Hyper-V. Next, we're going to utilize Backup Exec to protect our Microsoft Hyper-V environment. First, click on the Backup tab and select a new backup job. Here we'll explore out our environment. As you can see, we have the virtual machine host. Expanding upon the virtual machine host will bring us the properties and the various attributes for that machine. At the bottom location, you'll see Microsoft Hyper-V. We'll expand out the Hyper-V node, and this will present us with a list of our virtual machines. We can protect all of the virtual machines in the environment by just selecting Microsoft Hyper-V. For the purpose of this demo, we're going to select a specific virtual machine for backup. Here we're selecting one of our Windows 2003 virtual machines. Next, we're going to take a look at the properties for the virtual machine backup. Here we've selected the Microsoft Virtual Server tab as a part of the backup job properties. Here you'll see that the check mark is selected for Use Backup Exec Granular Recovery Technology to enable the restore of individual files and folders from virtual machines. Enabling granular recovery technology will provide us with the ability to restore individual objects without having to restore the entire virtual machine. Once we've made sure that this check mark is selected, we'll run the backup. Now that the backup of that virtual machine is completed, we're going to take a look at the types of objects that you could restore. First, we're going to click on the Restore tab. And we'll bring up the Restore properties. Here you can see in the Restore view, we have the virtual machine itself as well as the specific virtual machine that we backed up. Exploring down into the virtual machine host, we'll take a look and you'll see Microsoft Hyper-V, the virtual machines themselves, and then the specific virtual machine that we just backed up. So from here, you could select the entire virtual machine to restore. Or if individual objects such as files and folders needed to be recovered from the virtual machine, you'd simply expand on the virtual machine name, drill down into the contents of the virtual machine, and then pick a specific file folder or groups of files and folders that can be restored. Here we're going to select the Documents and Settings folder to restore. Click Run Now, and the backup and the restore job will run, and the specific contents of the Documents and Settings folders will be restored to the virtual machine. In summary, you just saw how Backup Exec protects both physical and virtual environments from a single management console. In addition, Backup Exec's granular recovery technology provides you with the ability to recover individual files and folders from image-level backups of virtual machines. Granular recovery technology also reduces the amount of data that you have to protect, increases your ability to meet your backup windows, and provides you with the ability to support your organization's recovery time objectives.